Hey there, fashion friends. Today we are talking about styling black skinny jeans in 2020.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
Okay, so in a previous episode, I talked about styling skinny jeans in general in 2020. Just some of the things to kind of keep in mind to make skinny jeans a little bit more relevant for this year. So in that episode, I talked about black skinny jeans being one of the skinny jeans that are definitely still in. And what I like about black skinny jeans is that they already start off with a bit of balance. They already start off with a bit of edge. It has that edginess of the black color, of the black wash, mixed with the femininity of the tightness of the fit. On top of that, I just love black. So I just want to kind of share some tips on how I think you can style black skinny jeans. Okay, and the jeans that I am featuring here today on this episode for my styling use is a pair of jeans by Boyish Denim, one of my faves. This is the Zachary, and the wash is Touch of Evil. This has 11.5-inch rise, which I absolutely love. Gives me those curves that I'm looking for with a 29-inch inseam. And these are 70% cotton, 28% recycled cotton, and 2% elastane. I got these in a size 26, which is my normal size, and I would say these are definitely true to size. Very breathable, and I know that I could definitely wear these throughout the whole summer. Okay, so tip one is brown pops. I love black and brown together. They just complement each other so well, and it just adds that little detail of elevation for a look. So a perfect example of this is having a black pair of skinny jeans and then adding a black striped t-shirt. Adding that brown belt will just add that little bit of pop, that little detail that will completely tie the look together, that will just finish it off. And also with this look, you could pair it with brown shoes to tie in the brown belt if you wanted. But for me, I absolutely love just having some black boots, black shoes with the black skinnies with just that pop of brown belt, just a little detail of brown. Okay, so tip two is inseam is key. So this to me is true for any pair of jeans, really. Where the inseam hits you on your leg is extremely important in my opinion. And it's difficult because everybody's legs are obviously a different length. That's the beauty of a cuff. So a big part of this for me is that I feel like the ankle is the slimmest part of your leg. And what is very flattering is the tapering aspect. So when you can see the ankle, I feel like that is such a flattering thing. It just really kind of pulls your eye down in a weird sort of visual play. It makes your leg look slimmer when you see that slim ankle, when you see the skinny ankle, the slimmest point of your leg. In my opinion, I don't even know if that's a real thing, but that's what it is for me. I feel like it's like a weird visual thing. But as well as that, if you wear the skinny jeans too long, then it just makes your foot look like a little stump at the end of your leg. And then if you go too short, then it cuts your leg off at a weird spot and you look like you have stumpy legs. So you just kind of have to be careful. So my little rule of thumb is that if you're wearing shoes, to cuff or roll the jeans to the top of the shoe. If you're wearing something like sandals, this is where I would suggest cuffing them so that you can have that little peak of your ankle. If you are purchasing a pair of jeans, just kind of be mindful of the inseam. Know what your leg length is so that you can order the correct inseam or order a long inseam and then have them tailored to the correct inseam for your legs if you want to go the route of not having a cuff, because sometimes you don't want to have that look, which I totally get. I love cuffs. I love that look because it just adds like a little bit of texture, a little bit of interest. But yeah, if you don't want to, just be mindful of that and just kind of know, okay, I want to wear these with these type of shoes. Okay, tip number 3 is navy chic.
Bom dia, mais dia maravilhoso.
Yes, marrying navy and black, one of my favorites. Love it. I've said it before, but I definitely don't think there is any rules when it comes to color. Now, that does not mean that I want you to go into your closet and throw on every single color that you have and then be like, yep, well, Emily Wheatley said that there's no rules when it comes to color. I'm just saying that there's no rules when it comes to color, but there should be intention with the color. One of the looks I absolutely love is wearing a black top with black jeans with a navy blue blazer, and then just fully committing and wearing black pair of shoes to top it all off. So you just have that all black with that pop of navy. Another option would be that you wear a blue and white stripe top and be able to bring in that blue. You could wear like a blue pair of sneakers to, again, tie in that blue. Either just really commit to one of the colors and have the other one just be the pop, or tie it all together with, you know, different pieces. That's kind of what I mean by having just intention, is just knowing that everything kind of works together and everything sort of ties back together. Okay, tip number 4 is break the rules.
Bom dia.
So what I mean by this is, in my last episode, I said that the best thing to pair with a pair of skinny jeans is an oversized top, because skinny jeans are already skinny or tight. So having that juxtaposition with the oversized top was what I said is my favorite thing. The little bit of gray area, the little shadow in there, is with black jeans. I feel like with black jeans you can get away with a lot more just because they are more chic, they're more edgy, they're more elevated. So you can be a little bit more playful. So in that episode too, I basically said to avoid wearing tight fitting tops with skinny jeans. But yeah, with black skinny jeans, I feel like if you do it right, if you do it tastefully in an understated way, you can pull it off. So to me, wearing something like a very just simple bodysuit can look really chic. But yeah, most of the time you will not hear me say tight on tight is good. But when it comes to black jeans, I mean, it's like channeling our Sandra Dee, you know, Pink Lady Sandra Dee, not Sandra Dee, the preppy Sandra Dee. I'm talking end of the movie Pink Lady Sandra Dee. You know what I'm saying, okay? So yes, that's who you're channeling here. Which brings me into my next tip, which is black on black on black. Black on black is such a chic. I'm saying chic a lot today, aren't I? Yeah. This is turning into a drinking game for sure. Chic's the best word to describe a lot of these things, so we're just gonna stick with chic. But yeah, it's such a chic look to me, and where you can basically elevate the black on black is playing with textures. So let's take this look. Let's take the look that we have here today with the bodysuit with a little bit of sheen to it, and then paired with the black denim, which is, you know, more flat, a little bit of rough material, more matte. Because we're going into summer, just keeping it simple with adding just a black leather belt and then tying it together with a black pair of boots. Or you could do it with a black leather pair of sandals, tying in a bit of texture, because again, you want to have something that kind of pulls it all together. Having that bit of leather tied in with the other bit of leather will do that for you. And you could always layer up, so you can just throw like a really cool, effortless, oversized button-up shirt that's buttoned all the way down and just open. You could throw a blazer on, you could throw a cardigan on, you could throw whatever you need to. All right, guys, I think that is it on my tips for styling black skinny jeans. I mean, we could probably go on for days. These are probably just my favorite. But the beautiful thing about black skinny jeans is that, yeah, the options are pretty limitless. You could take these tips here that I talked about today, as well as the tips that I talked about on my previous episode as well, and you could get multiple amazing looks for your skinny jeans. If there's anything that you want to see me talk about styling on this channel, please also comment below. I'm making these episodes for you guys, so I love hearing from you. All right, you guys, that's it for today. You know what to do. Give me that thumbs up, comment below, share with friends, and subscribe for future weekly episodes if you have not already. If you are already subscribed, make sure to click that bell to be notified when my new episodes are popping up. I hope everybody is staying safe, loving each other, and supporting each other. And we will definitely be chatting soon. Bye.